Hey y'all, it's the next day. Man, it's always like it takes me a minute to get it together once I get home. Like, I don't know, I just don't be wanting to do nothing the first day. But today is Sunday. Your boy got up, I went to church, got a good word, got my spirit ministered to. I decided that I am going to put the Christmas tree up. So that's what we're about to do now.
Babe, the holidays are such a stressful affair. Ain't got no time to take it slow. Well, I talked to Santa Claus, and he gave us one private evening under the old mistletoe. Oh, for we hear those reindeers walking, and all our relatives won't stop talking. I got...
Alright y'all, so I had to pause, and as you see I got a hoodie on. I had to go get a second set of lights because there's a set that went off. I just don't understand lights. Like, they were working last year, why aren't they working this year? But they're so cheap that I'm not about to sit here and experiment and investigate and try to fix them. So we're about to put these new lights on and finish putting this tree together. Because now I'm like, I just put the thing down and don't do a tree. Yes, the new lights are white and the other ones are green. The white ones were $3.50 and the green ones were $10, and I'm not spending $10 on some lights that I'm gonna be using for a couple weeks. Not doing it. right, y'all. That's the finished work. It was a rush job because I got tired, but it's gonna work. Don't be talking about my tree. I know it looked like a dude did it.